Amism about polarities in everything, social Darwinism and social human farming. Amism ideology likes to view social arrangements in total outlook. So far Amism rejected all ideas of past political philosophers because nobody said about a system to autopilot or maximum productive output of humans giving them the justifiable rest and subsequent enjoyment of life. Amism says those free rewards of nature were undervalued initially, created a manipulated value system of failure, and now the produce is struggling to cope up with the permanent value arrangements. This has created a parallel universe for the intelligent humans. They had those fittest polarities that Darwin emphasized. Or during their life journey some sorrowful situations, advance their thinking energies for fittest polarities arrangements, that some others were lacking. This is the basis of an egalitarian social class structures and polarities. In some social arrangements some are struggling to advance, but some others are advancing beyond the perceptions. This is where an egalitarian polarities attains its greatest significance. Population reward itself is an example of this. Try to define it. So what I am saying is dealing with those polarities. Past, present and future is what shapes the realities. It can be substance, matter, anything which can produce visible effects in political arrangements. It's like dealing with life and death. That means at some point of time, humans will realize that dominance is about arranging polarities, and this situation is not social Darwinism, but it's about farming humans conveniently using the material matter existences for dominance in top positions. When a nation reaches this stage, all ideas and theories of its enemy nation will have influence in indirect ways from the dominant. It's not about those concepts of Kenneth Waltz or Herbert Spencer. Amism polarity reality setting is where anybody has productive relations with someone, the polarity power is there. It can be scientific energies, bioenergies. Hence this must be dealt very carefully for proper development of nations.